Well, hi everybody, we're going to do a turtle. Let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to go ahead and draw the back of his shell. Right here in the middle of the paper, we're going to draw like an upside down U, just like that. Awesome. All right, then we're going to close it in at the bottom. Just like that. Make sure you get it all the way to it. There we go. Good. Then at the bottom of that, we're going to come around to kind of show his shell. Nice. All right, then we're going to go ahead and draw his head. We're going to bring this around just like so. And then loop it over here. Good. Then for his neck, we're going to bring it down and reconnect it back into his shell. Awesome. Let's go ahead and draw his eyeball. All right. I like to draw a reflection. Okay. All right. For ours, we're going to put a little bit of a smirk right here. There we go. Awesome. Now for the bottom of his shell, we're going to go ahead and draw his feet. So here up in the front, right about here, we're going to go ahead and draw a line down like so. And the same over here. Then we're going to connect those together. Right? Then we're going to copy that back here. So we're going to come down. And we're going to let those two meet, just like so. Good. Let's go ahead and draw his belly. So his belly is going to come around like this, down, and up into his neck, like so. Awesome. Draw these little lines for his belly. Nice. Let's go ahead and draw the hunches on his turtle shell. Big old smiley looking face right there. Yep. Then one straight down in the middle. And then on this side, a little bit of a slope. And the same on this side. Nice. Let's go ahead and draw some toes on him. There's 1, 2, 3. I kind of got bigger as I went. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw his back feet. So it comes up like this and straight up. Put one on there. There we go. All right, don't forget his tail. Let's make a little bit of a loop up like that and bring it back down. Nice and fun. All right. See how easy that was? Let's go ahead and color it. Thank you for watching I Can Doodle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.